Okay, the cross will come to you all packaged together. Remove the rubber bands. This is the template for the actual heart assembly itself. The upper pieces are already glued together. This is the bottom piece. Set those aside. Take your photograph, your subject photograph, and place the cross so that it centers as well as you can on your subject photograph. Then you want to mark the heart out that's going to be cut. Make sure that you hold it firmly so it doesn't slip on you. Then you take your scissors. I find that it's much easier to get rid of all of the excess paper first before cutting the heart out. But do whatever you need to do to make it easy for yourself. Discard the excess and then cut carefully on the line that you have scribed using the heart-shaped cutout. It can be slightly larger is fine, but not less than. Now we take the base, and the base has an adhesive double-sided tape on it that you'll have to remove the protective layer on in order to get the picture to stick to it and to get the lower part to stick to the upper parts. But I always like to do a test trial run first. You can see the outline of the heart on the top and the bottom that you can align the photograph to get it where you would like it, and then place the top and then take a look at it and see if that's what you want. If it is, then you can remove the adhesive coverings and put the photograph onto it and place all of the parts on. So first we'll remove this protective adhesive covering, and place our photograph and remove the other protective coverings. Kind of tricky. I find that if you use a sharp knife like a razor knife to get this stuff started, it makes it much easier to take it off. Yeah, right. There we go. One last piece right here. Right, this next step is important because once you've got the pieces adhesed together, it's very sticky. It's virtually impossible to be able to remove it to replace the picture. So I always try to align this part with this part first, and then bring the other part down onto it, the same thing, aligning the ends. Once you get it all nice and aligned, then press it together and hold it for 30 seconds. And voila, it is done. You can see the actual picture. And on the back there's a hole. So it's ready to hang. Thank you for your attention.